Now, have you heard of corneotherapy? Long word, short meaning. It's about having a balance of your skin. Skin is able to repair itself when you give it the correct food. What do I mean by that? I mean that when you give the skin what it really needs, those ingredients that maintain it strong, hydrated during the whole day, and being able to defend itself from external factors, then we can actually achieve that you have that glow skin that really shines all day long, all through your lifetime, no matter whether you're 20, 50, or 80. Corneotherapy also means that we preserve the natural skin barrier, meaning that the products we use will penetrate from the outside inside through some kind of vehicles, which are the nanoparticles and the liposomes. Liposomes and nanoparticles are that vehicle that help us to introduce the ingredients that are within them so they can actually really penetrate in the skin and do their work there. Therefore, we use ingredients that are on a molecule level very similar to skin's structure. Therefore, we guarantee that the products will really do its work where it has to do. You want to know how that looks like? We use ingredients. Each single one is in a different bottle, and then we can prepare bespoke skincare. The skincare that you most need in this precise moment, depending on your age, your lifestyle, your skin condition, the geography, as in whether it's cold, hot, humid, dry ambience, and then we can prepare the cream as you wish. The corneotherapy is also a guarantee that your skin will always be healthy and strong and radiant. Why? Because we make sure that you don't use any ingredients that are aggressive for you, meaning we leave out all the mineral oils, no conservants based on petrol oil or petrol derivatives. We don't use any perfumes. Perfume is extremely toxic. We don't use colorings, no silicones, and no emulsifiers. When you come for a corneotherapeutic facial, that means that your skin can finally relax. It will receive exactly what it needs, always based on what our hands and our eyes see and feel. And then you have that skin that you really desire. Now, if you want to have personalized skincare, that is also one of our biggest things that we do with this corneotherapeutic method, which means we prepare the skincare just for you, depending on all the criteria that I mentioned before.